How's everyone, Grant here, welcome back to the channel, and today I've got the tempered glass screen protector from OTAO. Now I believe this is going on Amazon for just under $8. I'll leave the link in the description should you choose to pick one up for yourself. So thanks to the folks at OTAO for setting this out for me to check out and review for you. And as you can see here, OTAO tempered glass screen protector. There are some of the specifications, but it's just basically a tempered glass screen protector. It's got anti-fingerprint coating, which is basically the oleophobic coating to keep it nice and smooth. Inside, you actually get a applicator tray, so that's really nice. Should be a nice, easy installation. So tempered glasses of this cost don't usually always come with this, so that's really nice. You've got screen protector accessories, so this is probably going to be the wipes and everything to apply them. And you get two of them because you actually get two screen protectors for under $8. So that's really good if you mess one up, or if you drop your phone and one cracks, you have another one. And you also have a message from the folks over at OTAO. So it looks like if you actually go ahead and crack or something happens to your screen protectors, you can go ahead and email them and they'll send you a new one. So you can run through two. If anything happens to these, just send them some pictures and an email with your order ID and they'll go ahead and send you out a brand new one. So that's really nice of them there. So there you go. And installation instructions here. So I'll go through and install this so you can see it live. Should be pretty simple with this applicator tray. And let's go ahead and get to that. So there you go. So it went on pretty smooth. Maybe a couple micro bubbles that I expect to just go away in a little bit of time. If they don't, I'll let you know in the comments. But that was the easiest tempered glass I've had to install with the applicator tray. It was really hard to line them up perfectly. But the one thing I do notice, as you can see here, it's covering up the notch. So let me turn on the display. You can see the full notches here, and the glass is covering up those sensors. And it just leaves a little bit of space there for the earpiece. So all the sensors are covered, including the front-facing camera. So let's go ahead and see if Face Unlock works. I've got to actually unlock my phone first since I just restarted it. And then so let's go ahead and see if Face ID is going to work through this. And it does, so it doesn't interfere with at least the Face ID sensors there. And we test out to see if the front-facing camera is affected here at all. And it really doesn't seem to be affecting it in any way. Picture looks clear as it did before. So I'll go ahead and take more pictures and I'll test this out a little bit more, and I'll let you know if all these bubbles go away or not. If I notice anything, I'll leave a pinned comment down below. But otherwise, really nice screen protector from what I can see. Went on a really nice and easy installation. Probably the fastest, like I said, installation of any tempered glass because of that nice little applicator tray. And it covers up the front of your phone. I can test it out with some cases here. Let's test it out with this one. I've got this thin style case, which should work with it since it's fairly thin. And I'm going to assume it plays well with most cases because you can see as it goes around there, you have a lot of room to play with. So it's not going to go edge to edge. So you've got a lot of room around to play with cases that will even come up into that lip there. So from what I can see, pretty good screen protector, under $8. You get two of them. And if anything happens to them, OTAO says just email them with pictures and your order ID and they'll send you out a new one. So that's a pretty good deal. So there you go. That is the OTAO tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone 10. If you have any other questions or comments, leave them down below. And as always, thanks for watching.